In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install RaiderRacing Dirt and Dust motor cover onto your Traxxas X-Maxx. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean out the inside of your RC car, so when you go to install the RaiderRacing Dirt and Dust motor cover, it's a little bit easier. The second thing you're going to want to do is mark where you're going to need to cut the Velcro alongside the battery tray, and then you're going to want to do it on both sides. The third thing you're going to want to do is, after your first cut, you're going to want to outline the next cuts alongside where the shots go, and do that all around the car. Then after you've done all that, you're going to want to go into your shock house on the inside, and you're going to want to put a piece of Velcro at the bottom first, and then move up to the sides. And do this on both sides as well. Here's an example of what I mean by starting at the bottom of your shock house. And that is how to install a RaiderRacing Dirt and Dust motor cover onto your Traxxas X-Maxx. Thanks you guys for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss any other of my videos. Without further ado, I'll catch you guys on my next adventure. Bye.